Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Ablokan IAS. Today we are going to discuss one more question that belongs to the number system topic and it is asked in CSAT 2024. The question is, what is the rightmost non-zero digit of 30 to the power 30? So basically I have to calculate this one. So I have to just calculate the non-zero digit of 30 to the power 30. So see, since it's a 0, this can be written as 3 into 10 to the power 30 and this will come out to be 3 to the power 30 into 10 to the power 30. Now all these powers will give me simply 0 at the end. So I don't have to worry about this one. The non-zero digit will come from this place. तो अब हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना, हमारा क्वेश्चन रह गया वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द लास्ट डिजिट ऑफ 3 to the power 30 and this will be my answer. So before going on to this one, we need to know the cyclicity of 3. So cyclicity of 3, let's look at it. 3 to the power 1 is 3, 3 to the power 2 is 9, 3 to the power 3 is 27, 3 to the power 4 is 81 and 3 to the power 5 is 243. Now see, here the last digit is 3, here the last digit is 3. So after the 4 powers, the digit is getting repeated. So the cyclicity of 3 is 4. That means what will be my last digit of 3 to the power 30? It will be the same as the last digit of 3 to the power 30 mod 4. And this mod function simply gives me the remainder. So 30 mod 4, the remainder is 2. So this will be equal to 3 to the power 2 और ये हो जाएगा 9 हमारा आंसर है. So this is our answer. Let's move on to our today's practice question. It's very simple. The question is, what is the rightmost non-zero digit of 50 to the power 50? I expect that everyone should solve it and you can get the answer on our Telegram channel. This is the link of our Technical channel. Thank you.